When planning a crowdfunding campaign, knowing the exact costs involved is essential for setting your financial goal and ensuring your project stays profitable. Launching a product on Indiegogo involves specific platform and processing costs that automatically reduce your total earnings before funds ever hit your bank account. Understanding these deductions ensures you budget accurately and avoid unexpected cash flow shortages during manufacturing and fulfillment. The primary cost associated with the platform is the standard platform fee. Indiegogo charges a flat 5% platform fee on all funds successfully collected through your campaign. This fee applies directly to the total amount of money raised from your backers. If your campaign fails to reach its target or you utilize specific structural setups where funds are not collected, you do not owe this platform fee, as it only applies to successfully processed and captured funds. In addition to the platform fee, you must account for third-party payment processing fees. Every financial transaction processed through credit cards, debit cards, or alternative payment methods incurs a processing charge. This generally amounts to roughly 3% of the transaction value plus a small fixed fee, such as 20 cents per individual pledge, depending on the project currency and the backer's geographic region. Because this fee is calculated per transaction rather than as a lump sum, campaigns with a higher volume of smaller individual backers will accumulate slightly higher total processing costs than campaigns with fewer, larger contributions. To put these numbers into perspective, consider a campaign that successfully raises $10,000 from 100 individual backers. Indiegogo takes its 5% platform fee, which equals $500. Next, the payment processing fees take roughly 3% plus the fixed per transaction costs, which typically amounts to around $320 for that volume of transactions. Combined, these deductions total roughly $820, leaving you with a net payout of approximately $9,180 deposited into your bank account. Beyond the mandatory platform and processing cuts, creators must look closely at ancillary expenses that impact total project revenue. Marketing and advertising costs often represent the largest expenditure for a crowdfunding campaign, frequently requiring thousands of dollars in targeted ad spend across social media networks to drive traffic to your page. Additionally, if you use external tools or extended services like pledge managers for late backers, or if you incur value-added tax liabilities depending on where your backers live, these elements will further influence your overall budget. Factoring in an overall baseline of 8 to 10% for combined platform and processing fees gives you a solid foundation. But always remember to build a comprehensive financial cushion that accounts for marketing, production samples, prototype iterations, and international shipping logistics to protect your bottom line from start to finish.